Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be cleaning the water buckets and picking up all the trash on the farm. So I'm going to start off with doing the water buckets, sprinkle a little bit outside, but we just got these for cleaning them. And then my uncle made this little table here, so pretty nice. He didn't do the top because it would chip off anyways, but got a nice vise there, so. But yeah, I got these brushes here. Just a normal broom and then this. Me and my sisters normally do this about one time a week, pretty much every Saturday. And then one of our employees does it also one time a week, so about Wednesday or so. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright, so I got this plastic glove on here so that I can stick my arm in the water without my sleeves getting wet. Normally in the summer I just do it without this because then we got just normal overalls that are sleeveless. But yeah, I'll be doing this barn here and then this barn, and my sisters do the barn right over there, and that's the new barn. That one always stays quite a bit cleaner than this barn here, so yeah, I just start in the old barn and then I go to the new barn over there. Alright, so here we got the water tank, water tank, and the water's pretty dirty. There's feed in here because cows, when they re-chew their food, so sometimes, or if they come from the headlocks, then they always have food in their mouth, and then sometimes they go to drink and all the food falls out of their mouth, and that's how this gets so dirty. And then we just have like a couple cows in each group, or one or two in each group, and they even though we have this bar here, they are somehow able to get their feet in here. So if you're wondering why they're staying in there, that's why they're staying in there. But we do clean these out 2 times a week, so just a little before video here, so it looks like. Alright, so the first thing I normally do is just kind of loosen up all the stuff that's stuck on the bottom so that everything circulates and it comes out easier. And then right here there's a little plug, so I just knock that out, and then this is why we have these arm gloves, so that my arm doesn't get all wet. And then I plug it in over here, and that right there, when I just put that plug in, that's where all the water comes out, so you don't want any new water mixing with the old water. And then I just start mixing up, or cleaning off the sides and all that, so. And then I just go to the other side real quick. So then after I clean both sides out, I grab this brush here, and then I take this plug out, and water comes out of there. And then I just start cleaning everything off. And then right here in this little bottom corner here, there's always some sand because it's a low spot. I'll show you that real quick here now. And you put that plug back in, and as you can see down here, it's always a little bit deeper, so sand always builds up right there. And there you got that plug, and then right over here is where the water comes out, and on the other side it's right there. Alright, so here we are now in the other barn. We just got done with the old barn over there, so we got about 4 more water buckets to do in here. So yeah. Alright, so right now I'm just gonna be picking up the trash. Well, that box probably needs to go too. I'll just dump that in there. This is pretty much just a weekly thing because we pick up so much trash around here. That one's done. And this is pretty much all shop trash, so it's even. This is gonna be a heavy one. Oh boy. Whew. We'll put this one in the corner here. Well, actually, this one's got a lot of light stuff, so I'll put that one in first and then put this bag over it so it don't fly away. This is all our trash for the calf barn, or well, you can see we got bags here. So This is all the trash for the barn, but you saw that there was one trash can that I didn't empty because that one was still half full, so ain't no point in wasting a bag, or yeah, wasting just half a bag for trash. So